your feet. C is for cat, so soft and small. B is for drum, bang it loud in the hall. E, F, G, H, letters on the way. Come along and sing this song, it's A, B, C, hooray. E is for elephant, so big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for grapes, purple and green. H is for house, cozy and clean. I, J, K, L, we're learning more. Letters open up the world, they're keys to every door. I is for ice cream, tasty and cold. J is for jug, that water can hold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M and O, P, we're almost halfway there. Letters bring us words to share, they're everywhere. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, where birds rest at night. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pencil, writing things we've found. Q, R, S, T, we're almost at the end. Singing letters, learning more, they're every child's friend. Q is for queen, with the golden crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for star, twinkling in the night. T is for train, traveling out of sight. U, V, W, X, Y, Z to say. Now we've sung the ABCs, hip, hip,